Using a dropper post on your mountain can really change your experience out on the trail. When climbing, the dropper post set at its most extended position allows you to be in the most efficient pedaling position possible. As soon as you get to the top of the hill and start descending, using your dropper post, you can lower the seat, making it easier to get your weight back over the rear wheel. When it comes to finding the perfect dropper post, the options can be overwhelming. From different features to varying prices, it can be difficult to know where to start. To assist in your search, I have done extensive research, gone through numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the best dropper posts from reputable brands. After my deep research, I have found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. For more information on pricing and other details, be sure to check out my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Fox Racing Shocks Internal Dropper Seat Post. We like the lever design of this seat post, which has a textured surface so you might not need grip tape. It has Kashima-coated aluminum so it looks quite classy. With an easy installation compared to other dropper posts, you can use Wolf's tooth lever to make it smoother in terms of operation. As for durability and design, it doesn't need service too often, even as far as 6 months. Overall, this dropper seat post is a great budget-friendly alternative to its more expensive counterpart. Number 4. Crank Brothers Highline 30.9 Dropper Seat Post. This convenient seat post has a unique lever design that allows you to keep it twisted right or left, which means you can use it to fit whatever riding style you're comfortable with. It also has a clean look due to the internal routing setup, which won't get in the way of your legs. The dropper post already comes with lubrication, so it's ready for maintenance needs. The construction feels durable and will hold up to most crashes. However, a slight issue is that in the winter, the post isn't that stable with locking, so it's best to use it for the summer instead. Number 3. 1UP Components V2 Dropper Post. This dropper post has a low stack height to insert the post further into the frame. Unlike other dropper posts that seem to have an excessive protrusion, the 1UP V2 sits comfortably low. With a short insertion length, it allows you to insert it further into the frame compared to most posts in the market. Another feature that we like is that it allows you to shorten the drop in 10mm increments up to 20mm per size for a customized riding preference. However, a minor con is that the lever sits higher, so it takes a bit of getting used to with the adjustment. Number 2. Trans X Kitsuma Dropper Post. With an external cable routing, setting up this dropper post wasn't a hassle since its connection point is near your seat tube. You won't experience any tangles with this dropper post, unlike others in the market, which has an underseat connection point. In terms of construction, it has a solid feel while also having a smooth finish. It's easy to see the markings on the post, so you won't make mistakes when setting it up on your bike. There's an external cable that protects the mechanism from dirt, which will help a lot with maintenance. It also has a smooth movement either way. What we don't like is that it does have a slight audible at the stroke top, which could be an annoyance to some. It also doesn't come with a dust cover. Number 1. Cascade Dropper Post. This external routed post is ideal for those without fancy bikes. It is cable actuated with less maintenance and is connected at the collar instead of the saddle seat, so the cable doesn't move, so you'll ride the bicycle without a cable rubbing. Another advantage of this dropper post is that the cable is stretched less and not bent outwards. With this, you don't have to adjust the cable. Furthermore, the company is a family-owned business with reliable customer service. The design allows the dropper post to sit deeper in the frame. This feature helps with going through mud. What's more, it comes with a lever compared to other brands that you have to buy separately. That's all. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.